Carefully conducted scientific experiments are constantly in progress to ensure that safe and effective insecticides are produced for all aspects of fly control work. Air sprays can be conveniently tested in a small experimental chamber. A known quantity of the insecticide under test is released into the chamber, and the number of flies which are knocked down are counted at definite intervals. After 10 minutes exposure, the flies are collected and retained in a jar for 24 hours before the number killed is determined. A special room technique is employed for assessing the efficiency of aerosol fly sprays. First, the aerosol mist is put up at the rate of about 3 grams to 1,000 cubic feet. Then the flies, which have been carefully reared and prepared for experimental purposes, are released from bags. As with conventional space spray tests, counts of flies knocked down are taken at definite intervals. All the flies are collected at the end of the exposure period and kept for 24 hours before a determination of kill is made. Tests such as these make sure that insecticides are produced which, when used correctly, will do what is required of them.